Bro, what the fuck? That's a sound.
Yeah, I don't know how these niggas got this many fireworks though. They got some shit that I ain't never seen though.
That's some cool shit. They got hella little shit. I don't know what's in the boxes though.
I seen these cakes before. 3G's worth of fireworks.
More than 3,000 pounds of illegal fireworks and homemade explosives are now off San Jose streets. On Friday, police announced a series of raids and arrests.
In the June 23rd operation that we conducted.
I want to say, I get caught. You at the storage spot, loading all this shit in your storage. You don't think bro probably can't. Looking on the camera, making sure ain't nothing going on.
I don't see how they get mad at us for going to go get shit that they be using anyway though. They be using it.
On there probably like, you blow the whole spot up or something happen. So I'm about to get that shit out my shit.
You know, the whole storage spot gonna be blown.
Nah, niggas should be trying to. I had 2 rollies in the storage.
It's vicious. Everything.
The IEDs.
Well, look, this the killer about the whole situation. They say all of that shit is illegal, but they use the shit when they celebrate. They use the illegal shit when they celebrating shit, but we can't use it.
Hey, look, though, I'm gonna keep it handy though. One thing about them niggas though, I'm gonna keep do it right, but they be on us because we gonna do it. We gonna do it wicked. We gonna be outside, trees, fire. What's this shit called? They be all by the water like they have it.
Yeah, they know we in the middle of the street trying to pop all the big shit.
Like, where they be doing that shit at?
I know that at the pier. At the
pier. In the water on.
Yeah, like it's like on the coast, like on the water thing. Back in. All of the shit. For sure. If it falls, it's gonna go.
Fires. We located contain hundreds, if not thousands times more explosive powder than legally allowed.
In one case, undercover officers posed as buyers. That investigation led to the seizure of 1,300 pounds of dangerous fireworks and explosives that were in a storage unit off West Capitol Expressway. Officers also have a plan to catch people setting off illegal fireworks. San Jose Fire says police are already deploying drones to be on the lookout.
They will be strategically in areas already. They will be launching. If they see fireworks, they can zoom. They actually can move very quickly over neighborhoods and start to observe. They will be taking video.
On Thursday, San Francisco police officers found rockets, barrel bombs, and hundreds of other illegal fireworks that were inside a stolen U-Haul. In Alameda, a tip led police officers to the county's largest fireworks seizure so far this year. More than 50.
These the illegal ones.
The rapper looked like some else.
I don't know what that is. It look crazy. This looks like it's decent. It's different too.
A tip led police officers to the county's largest fireworks seizure so far this year. More than 1,500 fireworks were found in storage units. Some boxes had the words "Threat to Society" printed on them. We spoke with Deputy Chief Mark Shumay with the Santa Clara County Fire Department.
Over my 22 years, it's gone from, firecrackers or bottle rockets, that sort of thing. That's what we used to see when I was first hired. And now you're getting the big ground launched fireworks.
He said it's not just the fire danger they pose, but the injuries they can cause. Deputy Chief Shumay says leave it to the professionals.
They're everywhere around. I mean, there's really no excuse to not go to a show if you really want to see some good fireworks.
San Francisco, Antioch, San Jose, and Mountain View are just some of the cities with professional shows.
Like
in the South Bay, Lauren Martinez, ABC 7 News.
Hey, children!
You gotta look that
up. Make sure you take care of your parents. As long as you can. Make sure you spend time.
We're gonna come back to this for another video. Like that.
That's what niggas be doing when you can be. I'll be trying to buy fireworks and all. Cake. Seeing what.
On the Xbox in all caps, nigga.
Oh, you're slow. Hello, everybody. I'd like to do a demo on Hell's Angel canister shells.
You gonna show that motherfucker?
These are made by MC Fireworks.
Okay.
These are a 5-inch canister. They do not have the individual effects listed on the box anywhere.
Hell of them motherfuckers in there.
They are listed on each individual shell. They come with a standard fiberglass tube. Let me put these in a rack, we'll fuse them up, and then we'll shoot them 1 through 24 and see how they look.
Just the case on that motherfucker looks sick. That's what I was thinking. That's just red.
You gotta have it add in. That shit. Oh man. Oh man. Bro, you do that? Oh wait, that's going crazy.
Shit. Oh, they back there. They down there really lighting the motherfuckers back to back.
Goddamn. Like 10 of them. I'm finna drag.
I thought we were only gonna do one color.
Look at it right here.
Somebody shotgun.
Oh. Type of shit that when I do it,
Fall down
nah,
the
I
shit.
ain't even know. This shit just fly too. Well, it would have coming on and shit. Yeah, like,
Hey, shoot, they shot all 20 bullets, man.
got the bitches wrapped up, bro. Got them rigged. You got hey, fireworks lighting. I'm gonna but you see, it started with fire.
Nah, I think that's lower.
Decent.
Now, these fireworks are insane.
Under 100. I want one.
150? I don't know why I was like this.
Yeah.
Probably.
How much you buy that for?
Y'all be safe out here for this motherfucking 4th of July, man. Get your cakes, get your wake and bakes, get all that, get your drinks, get your pistols, you know, make sure you stay secure. I mean,
I was
safe
gonna
out
tell you
here.
to buy this.
Barbecue
You
and all
gonna
that.
send this to me.